Hi, my name is Shayan, and this is a walkthrough of my software development project. A fully functional text-based vending machine simulated in Python. The objective of this project was to create a robust system that handles inventory management, financial transactions, and user input validation. So first of all, we have data structure setup. So I basically begin by structuring the data using Python dictionary named stock. I chose a dictionary because it allows for efficient key value lookups. The keys here represent the item codes like A1 like A1 or B2. The values are lists containing three specific elements: the item name, the item value, and the item quantity. This structure allows me to easily modify stock levels in real time. Next up is the initialization and functions. So as you can see here, I initialized a variable named balance to 0, and I also created a boolean flag called isOn to control the main program loop. I also created a function named print menu to improve the user experience. I used dot sorted method so the items appear in alphabetical order. Here's the sorted. I also used a logic check here. So if the system displays sold out instead of the price, preventing users from trying to buy empty stock. Next up is the main loop and input handling. So basically, the code logic resides in this while loop. The first step is capturing user input. Chained the dot strip and dot upper methods here to sanitize the input. So this ensures that if a user types in lowercase or accidentally adds spaces, the system still recognizes the command. Next up is adding funds and error handling. Here it is. Basically, one of the most important technical features is the adds fun section. I implemented a try and accept block here. As you can see that. Here's the try and accept block I used. This ensures robustness. If a user accidentally types text instead of number, the program catches the value error and prints a friendly error message instead of crashing. Here's the message. And I also added a check to ensure users cannot input negative numbers. Here's that check I'm talking about. Mm. So the next up is the purchase logic. Here's the purchase logic. So basically, when a user selects a valid item code, the program performs these checks. Is the item in stock? Does the user have enough money? If the user lacks funds, the system calculates the exact difference and prompts them to deposit more. If both check passes, the transaction executes. The item price is deducted from the balance and the inventory count is decremented by 1. Next up is admin diagnosis. Here's the admin diagnosis. So basically, I included a hidden admin feature. This runs a diagnostic loop to calculate the price per unit for inventory analysis to prevent the system from crashing when stock is empty. I utilized a zero division handler which bypasses the math error if the quantity is zero. So in conclusion, this project demonstrates the effective use of Python dictionaries and while loops and defensive programming through error handling. Thanks for watching.